Very good morning, everybody. Most welcome in this question answer session belonging to National Education Policy 2020. इस राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति 2020 के प्रश्नोत्तरी सेशन में आप सबों का हार्दिक स्वागत है। आइए इसे हम क्रमिक रूप से सीखें। क्वेश्चन 12. Question is, what is the minimum age for admission of a child in class 3 as per National Education Policy 2020? You have two options. First option is 8 years and second option is 9 years. Obviously, option A is correct, that is 8 years. So your answer is 8 years. In order to solve more questions based on age group and concerned class, I have made a chart. Let us enjoy it. Prescribed age for successive classes as per National Education Policy 2020. Classes, this series is of successive classes, and this includes concerned age group. Arun, that is nursery, requires 3 years old child for admission. Uday, that is LKG, requires 4 years for admission. Tarun, that is UKG, requires 5 years for admission. Standard 1 requires 6 years for admission. Standard 2 requires 7 years for admission. Standard 3 requires 8 years. So that was your MCQ. So in this way you can tally your answer. 8 years. Standard 4 requires 9 years for admission. Standard 5 requires 10 years for admission. Standard 6 required 11 years for admission. Standard 7 requires 12 years for admission. That means the individual must have 12 years during taking admission in Standard 7. Standard 8 requires 13 years. Standard 9 requires 14 years. Standard 10 requires 15 years. Standard 11 requires 16 years. And Standard 12 requires 17 years for admission. This is all about required ages for admission in desired classes. See you. All the best.